पुण्यं न पापं न सौख्यं न दुःखम् न मन्त्रो न तीर्थं न वेदायज्ञम् अहं भोजनं न भोजनं नैव भोज्यम् न सदानन्दरूपम् अद्वैतम् सत्यं शिवं सुन्दरम् सदानन्दरूपं शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्।
Om Shri Sai Ram. On the joyous occasion of the 95th birthday of our beloved Lord Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba, we, the Sai Young Messengers from the South Zone, namely the states of Kerala, North and South Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Chennai metro region, offer our most humble and loving salutations at thy divine lotus feet. Baba may not be with us physically, but we know that he is with us all the time. He makes us smile, holds us when we fall, and wipes our tears when we cry. Baba, we wish you a very happy birthday and welcome to the celebrations. I would also like to take the opportunity to welcome all our elders, Sai devotees, Sai Young Messengers and Balavikas children. Baba, we offer the following program centered around two of the Ashtapushpams, namely Daya and Shama at thy divine lotus feet. Daya, that is infinite compassion, and Shama, that is infinite forbearance, are two of the virtues emphasized by Baba, without which human life will fail to blossom. To start the celebrations, our brothers from the Chennai metro region will do the Vedam chanting. In particular, there will also be the Shanti Mantra chanting in order to cure and rid the world of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. So let us start the celebrations. Jai Sai Ram.
गणान्त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामभित्र्यवतो गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् जरायुजः प्रथमः श्रियो वृषावातभ्रजास्तनयन्नेति वृष्ट्या स नो धामी चक्रामे अंगे अंगे सोतिषा सृष्टियानन्नामस्यन्तस्व अभिषा विधेम अंकात् सामङ्कात् शक्यामुदाकाशयेनं परुष्परुराविवेशायो अस्य यो अभ्राजायश्चाशुष्मो वनस्पति पर्णादांश्च शम्भे परस्मै गात्राय शमस्त्ववाराय मे शम्भे चतुर्भ्यो अङ्गेभ्यः शमस्तु तन्मे मम शम्भविद्यो वसे गृहन्नग्ने विश्वान्यर्या इडस्पदे समिभ्यसे सनो वसोऽन्यभर सङ्गच्छध्वं संवादध्वं संवो मनांसि जानता देवा भागै यथा पूर्वे सञ्जाधानामुपासते समानो मन्त्रः सवीतिः समानी समानं मनः सह चित्तमेषाम् समानं मन्त्रामभिमन्त्रयेव समानेनावो हविषा जुहोमि समानि वातो यः समानहृदयानि वः समानमस्तु भो मनो यथा वस्तु सहसाति पृथिवी शान्तिरन्तरिक्षं शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिर्वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे मे देवाः शान्तिः सर्वे मे देवाः शान्तिः 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 शान्तिभिः ताभिः शान्तिभिः सर्वशान्तिभिः शमायामो यदिह घोरं यदिह क्रूरं यदिह पापं तच्छान्तं तच्छिवं सर्वमेव शवस्तुनः ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः
Merely talking about Daya and Shama is not enough. Swami has always emphasized the importance of seva, good thoughts and actions. To talk more about this, Srimati Sarita Iyer, Associate Professor Business Administration at the Etumanurappan College in Kerala, is going to give us a speech titled Ultimate Quintessence of Divinity. She is a former District Coordinator of Education in Human Values and the former State Coordinator for the Vidya Vahini project. Over to you, sister.
Om Sri Sai Ram. My heart is filled with immeasurable joy and happiness to speak on this auspicious occasion of the 95th birthday of our beloved Bhagavan Sri Sathya Sai Baba. The topic is Daya and Kshama. Daya and Kshama are very familiar words to us, and to a great extent, the meaning of both the terms are known to us in general parlance. Though people use these words frequently, it is important to understand where these two words should be implemented. It is highly significant when and where we use Daya and Kshama. These are not two expressions that can be applied to anyone, anywhere, anytime. The bottom line is that Kshama and Daya should be applied to only those who deserve, and the prerequisite for applying Daya and Kshama are strength and courage. Once Maharshi Aurobindo had written an open letter to Mahatma Gandhiji. In that, Maharshi Aurobindo stated that Gandhiji was teaching non-violence to the cowards. To him, the doctrine of non-violence will become a means of escape to the cowards. The weapon of non-violence is very powerful, and a powerful weapon should be in the hands of an extremely powerful person. Only Gandhiji can handle this weapon effectively, this weapon of non-violence. So if you teach the weak the lessons of non-violence, he will use it as a shield to cover his weakness. And when such a person says that he has forgiven, it is coming from fear only. So, what we have to do? We have to teach the weak the lessons to strengthen him, then ask him to forgive. Then the relevance of patience will become fruitful. Only then the meaning of patience will be correct. Otherwise, we will be tantamount to supporting vulnerability. This was the great affirmation of Maharshi Aurobindo to Mahatma Gandhiji. We know Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba was kind enough to all those who criticized him. Swami is an epitome of forgiveness. But is it possible for us to behave in that way if we are in such a position? It needs courage to forgive. Only the brave can forgive. Another aspect is that utmost care should be given while applying Kshama and Daya. Daya and Kshama should not be applied in the wrong place. Prithviraj Chauhan is the best example for applying Kshama and Daya for a wrong deed. Patience was his weakness. Many women, even our country, had to pay the price for that. Prithviraj forgave Gauri despite attacking him many times. In the first attack itself, he should have taken the right step. Then we could say that he is merciful, he is loving to his people. But he didn't do that, and we had to pay the price. But these kinds of circumstances didn't happen at the time of Shivaji. Shivaji didn't even given such a chance for such people. That was his speciality. When we look at Bhagavad Gita, we can interpret the first chapter as Arjuna's philosophy. All that Arjuna said are lessons of patience and kindness. When we hear that, we also think that Arjuna is saying the truth, but it is not. Lord Janardana answered to this in the second chapter, third verse. Klaibyam Masmagama Partha. Hey Partha, do not yield to this degrading impotence or weakness. Give up this petty weakness of your heart. Jump in and fight. And who said this? The merciful Krishna, who gave Brahmanandam even to the Gopastris. It means that everything Arjuna said are the words of a coward. Forgiveness doesn't mean accepting anything and everything. Once a girl child asked Dr. Abdul Kalam, "Sir, you talk about patience, but at the same time you do bomb test. How do you justify both?" Kalam replied, "If you are on the road and you see a strong man harassing a weak, what you should do? Whether you will intervene or not. If your answer is no, it is because you don't have power. You need power to save the needy. Bombs are not made to harm anyone, but to show that you are strong." In Hindu mythology, gods carry weapons. Along with lotus, Lord Vishnu has wheel or chakra in his hand. Daya and Kshama have the same power. Where there is Daya, Kshama will be there. They are partners. But we cannot show Kshama towards Bhagavan. We call it bhakti or love. Therefore, to my mind, Daya, Kshama, Karuna, love, bhakti, they are almost one and the same. So we must reiterate the quintessence of our beloved Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba, the single cardinal message, love all. Jai Sai Ram.
Our beloved Sai Ma is the embodiment of Daya and Kshama. Our brothers and sisters from Tamil Nadu are now going to offer 2 bhajans at the divine lotus feet of our beloved Bhagavan. The first bhajan is a Tamil bhajan welcoming Swami and glorifying the various forms of the Divine Mother that he is. The second is a Devi bhajan in Sanskrit, invoking Swami's blessings to annihilate all the negativities and establish his presence within us. Let us all listen to Sai Dayamayi from Tamil Nadu.
दया क्षमा प्रशांति स्वरूपिणी दया क्षमा प्रशांति प्रदायिनी दया क्षमा दया क्षमा साई मां सत्य साई मां வருவாய் 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 அம்மா திருவே உருவாய் வருவாய் அம்மா வருவாய் 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 அம்மா திருவே உருவாய் வருவாய் அம்மா இருளை நீக்கிட வருவாய் அம்மா உந்தன் அருளை பொழிந்திடு சாயி அம்மா மன இருளை நீக்கிட வருவாய் அம்மா உந்தன் அருளை பொழிந்திடு சாயி அம்மா வருவாய் 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 அம்மா கல்யாணி கருமாரி காமாட்சினி மகாலட்சுமி மாதங்கி மீனாட்சினி வரலக்ஷ்மி வாராகி விசாலாட்சினி வரலக்ஷ்மி வாராகி விசாலாட்சினி உலகாளும் மாயே பிரசாந்தி தாயே உலகாளும் மாயே பிரசாந்தி தாயே அம்மா அம்மா அம்மா
Ramadani sari gari sani da magama. Ramadani sari gari sani da magama. Jaya jaya jagat janani devi suranara muniya sura sevi devo tedayini bhaya harani kalika. Jaya jaya jagat janani मुक्तिदायिनी भयहरिणी कालिका मङ्गलमुध सिद्धि सदनी शर्वरी शवदनी तापतिमिर तरुण तरणि किरणमालिका जय जय जगज्जननी देवी सुरनरमुनिय सुरसेवी मुक्तिदायिनी भयहरिणी कालिका जय जय धनुष बाण
खर कृपाण शूलशैल धनुष बाण
धरणि दानवदल
रणकरालिका
पूतना पिशाच प्रेत
रागिणी शाकिनी समेत
भूत ग्रह बेतार खग मृगाली जालिका जय जय जगत जननी देवी सुर नर मुनि असुर सेवी मुक्तिदायिनी भय हरिणी कालिका
जय जय जग जननी देवी सुर नर मुनि असुर सेवी मुक्तिदायिनी भय हरिणी कालिका
मंगल मुध सिद्धि सदनी
सर्वशर्वरीश वदनी तापति वीर तरुण तरणि किरण मालिका
जय
जय जग जननी देवी
जय महेश भामिनी अनेक रूप नामिनी
जय महेश भामिनी अनेक रूप नामिनी
समस्त लोक स्वामिनी शैल बालिका रघुपति पद परम प्रेम
तुलसी देहु वै प्रसन्न पाहि प्रणत बालिका
जय जय जगत जननी देवी सुर नर मुनि असुर सेवी मुक्तिदायिनी भय हरिणी कालिका
जय जय जग जननी देवी सुर नर मुनि असुर सेवी मुक्तिदायिनी भय हरिणी कालिका
मंगल मुध सिद्धि सदनी
सर्वशर्वरीश वदनी तापति वीर तरुण तरणि किरण मालिका किरण मालिका किरण मालिका
God has descended on this earth many times in the past in various avatars for the resurrection of mankind. In his avatar as Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba, he has shown us the path towards transformation through the acts of Daya, Shama, Karuna and love. To depict this, the youth from Karnataka are going to present a video called Daya Sagara Sri Satya Sai. Let's take a look.
From time immemorial, God has taken on several avatars to uplift mankind. He came as Lord Rama in Treta Yuga, Lord Krishna in Dwapara Yuga, and Sri Sai as an amalgamation of Shiva Shakti in Kali Yuga. During every avatar, he emphasized on self-transformation through core values like Daya, Karuna, Prema, Sahana, Gaurava, among others. Our beloved Bhagwan says, God pervades the entire universe and dwells in all beings. Hridaya, Hrid, Daya, compassion in the heart, embodies Satya, Dharma and Prema. God resides in the heart that is pure, steady and full of compassion. Here is a delightful musical video offering on this important virtue, Daya, by Sri Satya Sai Seva Organizations, Youth Wing, Karnataka.
ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా దయచేత ధన్యులు కావలరా, ఎంతటి వారు దయచేత ధన్యులు కావలరా.
ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಕಿರಿಯ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಶಾಲೆ ಗುಡ್ಡೆಮನೆ. ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು 2016, 17 ಹಾಗೂ 17, 18, 19 3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದನೂ ಕೂಡ ಶಾಲೆ ದತ್ತು ತಗೊಂಡು ಶಾಲೆಯ ಕಟ್ಟಡ ಒಂದು ಹಾಳಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಮೇಲ್ಛಾವಣಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು. ಆ ಚಾವಣಿಯನ್ನು ಗ್ರಾಮಸ್ಥರ ಸಹಕಾರವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಸಮ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ 3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದನೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ವಿತರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಸತ್ಯ ಸಾಯಿ ಸಮಿತಿ, ಸಾಯಿಬಾಬಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಭಾವನೆ ಮೂಡಿದೆ. ತಾವು ಇನ್ನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಎಂಬತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಡಿದೆ. ಸಾಯಿ ಸಮಿತಿಯವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನ ದತ್ತು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ ನಂತರ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಚುರುಕಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದನೇದಾಗಿ ಶ್ಲೋಕಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಭಜನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ, ಊರಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಅನಂತರ ಪ್ರತಿ ವಾರ ಸತ್ಸಾಯಿ ಸಮಿತಿಯವರು ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು.
जन्मदिन के शुभ अवसर पर देने बधाई आए हैं। बधाई 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 बधाई। हमको तुमसे प्यार कितना साई तुम ही जानते, दिलों की धड़कन तुम हो साई, तुम हमारे प्राण हो। हमको तुमसे प्यार है। We love you, dearest Lord, we love you. We love you, dearest Sai, we love you.
నీవు లేని మా జీవనం, నీరు లేని చేపవేదనం, నీ సన్నిధే మాకు పెన్నిధి, నీదు చూపే ప్రాణ సమానం, మీకు మాకు ఒకే
हमको तुमसे प्यार कितना, साई तुम ही जानते, दिलों की धड़कन तुम हो साई, तुम हमारे प्राण हो, हमको तुमसे प्यार है।
We love you, dearest Lord, we love you.
We love you, dearest Sai, we love you. We love you, dearest Sai, we love you.
We love you, dearest Sai, we love you.
एक बार क्षमा करो साई, मेरे बाबा श्री सत्य साई. I'm sure you have listened to this at one point or another. All bhajans are beautiful. They are nothing but honest offerings and prayers to the Lord. When commingled with instruments, they become enchanting. To mesmerize us, the youth from Kerala have prepared an instrumental piece called Reflections of Love. Shall we get mesmerized? Just like flowers add beauty to a purpose, so do the qualities of Daya and Shama when practiced in our everyday lives. The short film called Helping Hands, presented by our brothers from Andhra Pradesh, show us how Daya and Shama have been used to help those in need. This should come very naturally to us because Baba has taught us to help ever and hurt never. So let us take a look. Our beloved Lord Bhagwan Baba says, divinity is nothing but the combined manifestation of prema and shama. In one stroke, shama subsumes Satya, Dharma and the entire Vedas. It is the noblest of all virtues. With Bhagwan's inspiring quotes and anecdotes, coming up next is a video called Shama as Defined by the Divine, presented by the Mahila Youth Wing of Tamil Nadu.
Bhagwan Baba. To a spiritual aspirant, he is the divine master par excellence. To a rationalist, he is the greatest humanitarian on the earth. To thousands of modern youth, he is the leader with a dynamic vision and a colossus of inspiration. To a devotee, he is simply divinity in human form. And to everyone who has had the opportunity to behold him, he is pure love walking on 2 feet. How to worship and please such a wonderful Lord? A popular Telugu poet, Karunashri Garu, sings thus.
పువ్వులెన్నో తెచ్చి పూజింప చేసినా మెచ్చుకొనడు తాను పుచ్చుకొనడు అష్టగుణ పుష్పాల అర్చనలు సలుపుచు హరిని మెప్పించుచు తరించరయ్యా హరిని మెప్పించుచు తరించరయ్యా హరిని మెప్పించుచు తరించరయ్యా.
The poet addresses Swami as Lord Hari. That Lord Hari can neither be pleased with by worshipping him with flowers nor he accepts it, but he can be pleased with by worshipping him with the 8 flowers of good qualities. What are those 8 flowers of good qualities? Ahimsa, Indriya Nigraha, Daya, Shama, Shanti, Tapas, Dhyana and Satya. Once, some devotees asked, Swami, you had to undergo so much hardship as a boy, carrying water over long distances while you were in Kamalapuram. All that left scars on your shoulders. Added to that, you were punished frequently. You took it all calmly and never criticized those who were cruel to you. Why did you, as an avatar, have to go through all these sufferings? Swami smiled and replied, Bangaru, without all that, how could I have taught the lesson of Shama? Wow, what a message, O Bhagwan! Yes, indeed, your life is your message.
Shama Murti Sai Baba, Prema Murti Satya Sai.
With pranams to our Shama Murti, let's continue with the presentation on Shama. Shama. This one word has so many meanings. They are forbearance, patience, tolerance, fortitude, and forgiveness. So, the Shama is so very important. Let's listen to Swami about its significance and importance.
ప్రేమతో కూడినటువంటి క్షమనే నిజమైనటువంటి దైవత్వము.
True divinity lies in these twins, the love and forbearance going together.
క్షమ సత్యము,
forbearance is truth.
క్షమ ధర్మము,
patience is righteousness.
క్షమ వేదము,
it is Veda.
క్షమ సర్వము,
it is everything in life.
క్షమ తపస్సు,
it is penance.
క్షమ సత్యము,
it is truth.
క్షమ వేదము.
It is Veda, holy text.
క్షమ సర్వస్వంబు సర్వలోకములందు.
For all worlds, it is everything, treasured.
ఈ క్షమ అనేటువంటిది చాలా గొప్ప నిధి.
This forbearance is noblest, highest.
Now, let's pray to Swami to guide us on how to cultivate this great virtue, Shama.
ప్రేమకు ప్రధానమైనటువంటిది క్షమ.
The main thing associated with love is
ఈ
forbearance.
క్షమను ప్రతి వ్యక్తి కూడాను సాధించాలి.
One has to accomplish this quality of forbearance.
క్షమ అనేటువంటిది కేవలము గ్రంథములతో చదివితే వచ్చేటువంటిది కాదు.
This patience, kshama, is not the one that you acquire by reading a book.
అధ్యాపకుడు బోధించేటువంటిది కాదు.
It is not the one taught by a teacher.
లేక మరొకరితో గిఫ్ట్గా మనం తీసుకునేటువంటిది కాదు.
Nor can it be received by way of gift from anyone.
ఈ క్షమ అనేటువంటిది సమస్యల లోపల, కష్టముల లోపల, దుఃఖముల లోపల, బాధల లోపల శ్రమించి కొన్ని రకమైనటువంటి యొక్క స్వశక్తితో మనం సాధించవలసినటువంటిది ఈ క్షమ.
The spirit of forbearance has to be born in times of problems, difficulties, sadness, and all kinds of anxieties, and one has to achieve it by self-effort.
క్షమను మనము స్వతసిద్ధంగా సాధించవలసిందే కానీ ఇంకొక మార్గము లోపల సాధనతో సల్పుకునేటువంటిది కాదు.
This patience can be achieved by one's own self, but not by any other way.
During one of Swami's birthdays, a brand new expensive car was brought to Prashanti Nilayam and it was parked inside the Purnachandra auditorium. For convocation drama, the students were practicing inside the auditorium. While arranging the drama sets, one stand fell on the headlamp of the brand new car and it damaged the headlamp. Boys were so tensed and shocked as this car has to be used for Swami's birthday procession. Though teachers were reprimanding the students, Swami didn't utter a word even after seeing the crack of the headlamp. The story doesn't stop there. On the birthday, Swami came in the same car, and the beauty was a tape was put on the headlamp to keep the cracked lamp intact. What a lesson of forbearance and forgiveness by the divine. Another interesting episode in his presence. During one morning darshan after Shivaratri Akhand Bhajans, boys were instructed by Bhagwan to distribute watermelons to devotees and the fruits were transported by the students from auditorium. While distribution was happening, a huge lizard came out from somewhere and went under Swami's discourse table. Swami was just watching, totally unperturbed. The lizard moved here and there and then started moving towards students' block. Scared at the lizard, the students started getting up, unmindful of even Swami's presence. Swami was in all smiles. Though so many students moved away, but one staff member didn't move. He swiftly put his mat on the lizard, picked it, came out and threw it away. While so many reacted to the situation, this person remained cool. Needless to say, he was appreciated by Bhagwan that day. Thus, Swami taught yet another lesson that Shama also means to remain equanimous. Wow, that's the unique and inimitable style of Bhagwan in imparting invaluable lessons. Now, we need to know what are the benefits of cultivating this virtue, Shama. Swami says, if one has Shama, he can face difficulties with courage, achieve anything in life, remain peaceful and blissful always, attain the fulfillment of life. Together, let's all pray to Swami to bless each one of us with this wonderful virtue, Shama. And now, pray for his divine benediction.
భగవత్ నామం చేత,
with God's name,
దృఢమైన విశ్వాసం చేత,
with strong faith,
మన క్షమాశక్తిని సాధించి,
and we should achieve patience,
దయాశక్తిని మీరు పొందండి.
and we should also be compassionate.
क्षमामूर्ति साई बाबा, प्रेममूर्ति सत्य साई, क्षमामूर्ति साई बाबा, प्रेममूर्ति सत्य साई.
Adarsh Pushpalu or the Ashtapushpakam are not just mere flowers. They are the flowers of character which are permanent, pure and true. They not only elevate us spiritually but also guide us on Baba's divine mission. To bring to life the flowers of Daya and Shama, we're going to present a drama called Adarsh Pushpalu as prepared by the youth of Telangana. I'm really excited to watch this. How about you?
Hi Janaki Ramaya.
Sai Ram, Hanumanta and Maruti, what are you twins doing here? Why are you roaming around the office without doing your work and disturbing others? Don't you think you have to do justice to the salary you take?
Sorry. We made a mistake coming to your seat. We should punish ourselves for this mistake.
Go to your seats and do your work sincerely.
Hey look, curtain riser for today's drama has started.
You mean our union leader Nagaraju has entered the office premises?
Yes, he's coming.
Oh, what is this running commentary? I'm getting headache, man.
I know. Since you don't like our leader, your head starts aching when we take his name.
Don't create any misconceptions. I don't have any likes or dislikes against any individual, okay?
See, our officer Anand Rao also came to greet him with a broad smile. I think he too doesn't want to have any differences with our union leader so that he can survive peacefully.
It's not him only, Maruti. Everyone in an office want to be in the good books of Nagaraju. That's why they want to welcome him with a pleasant face and a broad smile.
This Janaki Ramaya is the only exception.
He's coming close to us. Let's stop this running commentary and give him a warm smile.
Yeah, come. Sir, good morning.
Namaste, sir.
Hi, twin brothers. How are you? I'm impressed seeing you both. Let's go to our union office.
Why, sir? Any special reason?
I'll tell you. Does everyone in the office respects me? You should be knowing.
Everyone has a lot of respect for you. We really can't express how much. Your words are Bible for everyone.
I don't know about this Gita and Bible. It's all bouncers to me. Just tell me one thing. Does everyone in the office respects me without any exceptions?
Except Janaki Ramaya, sir.
Just hold on. Don't call him by sir. Yes, I am referring to him only. Whenever I enter the office, the whole office stands up and salutes me. This Janaki Ramaya ignores me and my very existence.
Yes, sir. He is of a different kind. He is the odd man out in our office.
If he is the odd man, Let him be at his home. Why to come to office? If he wants to work, he should know how to respect his junior leaders. You both go and tell him and set him right. Else, I'll teach him a lesson with my actions.
Yes, sir. We will try our level best.
Just a minute. He is a stubborn person. To kill a small snake also, we need a big stick. If he doesn't concede, I'll show him stars in the day.
What does that mean, sir?
Which is the foremost branch in our jurisdiction?
Is it Advikondapalli?
Yes. Tell him that I will transfer him there. Seeing my wild side, he should beg me and fall on my feet. Tell him to change his behavior. Else, he will regret later.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Oh, Janaki Ramaya. Very good morning. How fortunate I am. You have come to my chamber for the first time. Please sit down. Looks like you have some important work with me. Tell me, how can I help you?
I have heard that I am being transferred to Advikondapalli.
Oh, who told you this?
I came to know from Hanumantu and Maruti. They were mentioning that Nagaraju has told about this.
Oh, if Nagaraju would have told, then it could be true.
Anandrao, sir, your words are so strange. Does it mean whatever Nagaraju says is true?
See, Janaki Ramaya, you know how things happen in our office. I am helpless in this matter.
Anandrao, sir, who is running this office? Is it you or Nagaraju?
As I know your character, since I trust you that you will not live anywhere, I'll speak my heart out.
Thank you for trusting me, sir. Please tell me. I will not reveal it anywhere.
As per our management policy, officers like us have to see that there is no strikes and unrest in office. If we fail to do so, either we may lose our job or we may be transferred to a place like Advikondapalli.
So in order to safeguard your job, we all have to surrender to union leaders like Nagaraju?
I'm sorry, that's the fact.
For your selfishness, we all have to...
I accept the fact, Janaki Ramaya. As your well-wisher, I have a small advice for you. Why do you take it to the extremes? Why don't you go to Nagaraju, wish him good morning, ask him how is he doing? This will satisfy his ego and he will not cause trouble to you.
I can't kill my self-respect, sir.
Look, Janaki Ramaya, do you think God is incapable to bear all this?
What do you mean, sir?
God will not react immediately when there is anarchy. He will wait till the anarchism reaches its peaks. Once it gets uncontrollable, he'll take the human form to end the evil. So please take my advice.
Thanks for your advice.
Sir, Janaki Ramaya, sir, please wait. Sir, Janaki Ramaya, sir, please wait. Looking at your aggression, it appears that you'll have a fight with Nagaraju?
Yes, I cannot tolerate this anymore. I will end this once for all.
Sir, Nagaraju sir, Janaki Ramaya is coming.
Haven't I told you? If I use that Advikondapalli weapon, he will come to my feet.
It doesn't appear like that. He is very aggressive.
Don't worry, Maruti. I have many alternate weapons with me.
Nagaraju!
Wait, Janaki Ramaya. You have gone to the officer and failed. If you had come to me in the first instance, I would have solved your problem.
I have not come for your solutions. I came here to put an end to your cruel deeds.
Cruel deeds? You mentioned my actions are cruel deeds? How dare you?
Nagaraju, put down your hand and behave yourself. First clarify me, on what basis are you transferring me to Advikondapalli?
I don't have to clarify anyone. I am the supreme boss in the entire office. After seeing your headstrongness, I will definitely transfer you to Advikondapalli.
Look, Nagaraju, as told by my beloved Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba in his sweet words, whether living in the forest or in the sky, whether staying in a city or in a village, in the midst of the sea or with family, never will I forget you in my mind. As per his assurance, I am not bothered if you transfer me to Advikondapalli or any other place. Goodbye. Oh, omnipresent Bhagwan, you know everything. But still, I want to express my concerns. I am unable to bear Nagaraju's misdeeds and I had to fight back. As per your preachings, my intentions are not to harm him, but to set him in the right path. I want to offer myself at your lotus feet, Swami, and strictly follow your preachings of see good, do good, and be good. Sai Ram.
Janaki Ramaya sir, there is a good news for you.
You say good news? But why is the staff in sad mood?
Forget about others. It's a good news to you.
When it is good news to me, how is it bad news to everyone? Just stop this nonsense and come to the point, okay?
Nagaraju has a massive heart attack today morning.
Oh my God. How could this happen to him in this young age?
It's not a surprise. He has all the bad habits.
You all are partners in his activities, right? But I don't understand one thing. How is it a good news to me?
Both of you are North and South Pole. Moreover, he raised hand on you and he was adamant to transfer you Advikondapalli.
How is this related now?
When enemy is in troubles, isn't it a good news?
Oh, what a depressing mentality. We may have had differences, but that doesn't mean that we want to see others in trouble. Anyways, in which hospital did he get admitted?
Since it was a serious attack, they have taken him to Getwell Hospital.
Oh, Janaki Ramaya, how come you are here?
I wanted to inquire about Nagaraju. How is he now? Did he get admitted?
With great difficulty, they got him admitted.
Why, Daniel? What is the matter?
They have demanded 1 lakh for admitting him.
All of a sudden? How can they get 1 lakh?
No, that's what we have our question.
We can pull 10,000 per head.
Where can we pull 10,000 per head, sir? That too in the month end.
Oh, so what did you do? How did he get admitted?
God has sent a doctor note to Mrs. Nagaraju, and with his influence, they have given 1 hour time to deposit the money.
Is this the way to ICU?
Sir, why are we inviting troubles? Please leave it, sir.
I want to give this Vibhuti to Mrs. Nagaraju to apply on his forehead.
Oh, is it? What a surprise. Do you think this Vibhuti gonna cure him from this critical situation?
Mr. Daniel, you might have read many miracles of Jesus in Bible. To understand all the religions and all forms, I have read all the holy scriptures. I am telling you with all that knowledge. Bhagwan Baba has cured so many with this sacred Vibhuti. He has cured chronic diseases where doctors have failed. Let me try to give this to Mrs. Nagaraju and apply it to his forehead.
Please go, sir. Who are we to stop you?
Are you Mrs. Nagaraju? I am Mr. Janaki Ramaya.
Oh, so you are Mr. Janaki Ramaya.
Why, sister? All of a sudden you have become dull?
I heard you and my husband are not in good terms.
Sister, there can be many issues in the office, but they are confined to office only. I have nothing personal against him. Please let me know if I can help you.
You considering me as your sister in this critical situation is a great blessing for me. All people who were around him and utilized his services have just come here as a formality. They even avoided talking to me, thinking I may ask for help.
Oh, I am very sorry.
There are many people who visited our house for dinners, parties, picnics, and also had favors from him. With some intimacy, I have requested for help, which they denied for lame reasons. In spite of all differences with my husband, you have come forward to help me.
Sister, all fingers are not alike. They may have their genuine reasons. Let's leave it. I came to know that hospital people have demanded 1 lakh in 1 hour.
How did you come to know that?
I have come to know from our colleagues waiting outside.
It's so embarrassing for me to ask for such a huge amount.
No problem, sister. I have recently sold my property in the village to pay the second installment of my new apartment. Since there is some more time, I have deposited it in the bank. I will get that money. In the meantime, please apply this Vibhuti on Nagaraju's forehead.
Doctors may not allow, sir.
Please make your efforts sincerely. With God's grace, everything will be favorable. By the way, I came to know that you know one of the doctors in the hospital.
Yes, brother, you reminded me in the right time. Dr. Prasad is our family friend. He is also great devotee of Satya Sai Baba.
Oh, very good. Everything seems to be in our favor. So please go ahead and apply this Vibhuti to Nagaraju immediately.
Paramam pavitram Baba vibhutim Paramam vichitram Leela vibhutim Paramartha ishtartha moksha पादपद्ममाश्रयामि
ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా
Sai Ram?
Janakramaya sir, it's me, Nagaraju.
Oh, Nagaraju. Please don't call me sir. Just call me Janakramaya. It sounds more personal. Came to know that you are recovering very fast. Sister has been updating me about your health condition.
I don't know what magic you have done. She's almost praising you every second.
Yeah. Brothers are always heroes to their sisters.
True. Can you come to the hospital once? I want to talk to you in person.
Definitely.
I'm very sorry, Janakramaya. I had the ego of being the union leader. I wanted all staff in the office to be under my control. With that ego, I have even raised my hand to trash you. I'm very sorry, Janakramaya.
Control yourself, Nagaraju. It is not good for your health. It is not good for your conditions. I am a devotee of Sri Satya Sai Baba. I think you know that. As a devotee of Bhagwan, I am supposed to follow his preachings.
Does everyone follows?
The way there are rules and regulations for everything, spirituality also has its rules. Those who want to attain higher levels of spirituality will follow them, and the rest who take it casually will not follow and fall in the cycle of birth and death.
So, in this also you have mastered.
There are no masters or degrees in this. Every individual has to progress and has to introspect. Good or bad, every individual has to face the consequences of their actions.
Oh, leave it. I can't understand those complicated words. Just tell me one thing. You have hated me and my behavior. How come you come forward and help me in this critical situation?
For all your questions, Bhagwan Baba's preachings have the answer. He says, help ever, hurt never. And I have taken inspiration from this.
With that one preaching, you have forgiven all my mistakes and helped me with such kindness.
Knowingly or unknowingly, you have mentioned two beautiful words.
Who? Me?
Yes, you. Forgiveness and kindness. In spirituality, there is an immense way of worship called Ashtadala Padmaradhana.
Worshipping with 8 different flowers?
These are not the regular flowers. These are the flowers of behavior.
What are these flowers of behavior?
Ahimsa prathamam pushpam.
Ahimsa pradhama pushpam. Non-violence. Control over senses. Kindness on all living things. Forgiveness. Peace. Penance. Meditation. And speaking truth are the 8 flowers of worship.
Excellent. God has mentioned all the qualities which you possess.
Sir, stop flattering me. Practicing all these qualities in real life is the real worship to God.
So, in this, you have utilized forgiveness and kindness flowers?
It is not like that, Nagaraju.
Janakramaya, because of this heart attack, I came to know about your kindness and forgiveness, which has made me a human being. Even I too want to be like you. I understood how a good person can influence all the people. Janakramaya, can you please take me along with you to your Baba bhajans?
He is not just my Baba. He is God for everyone. He has come in the human form for the betterment of the universe. The transformation in you and the urge to come to Baba bhajans is purely His divine grace. I will definitely take you to His bhajans.
Satya Sai Deva, Satya Sai Deva, Satya Sai Deva, Satya Sai Deva.
ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಶ್ರೀ ಸತ್ಯಸಾಯಿ ಯಂಗ್ ಮೆಸೆಂಜರ್ಸ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಭಕ್ತರ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಬಾಲವಿಕಾಸ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ 95ನೇ ಜನ್ಮದಿನದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸದಾ ಪ್ರೀತಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ.
அன்பு சுவாமி, தமிழ்நாடு ஸ்ரீ சத்யசாய் யங் மெசஞ்சர்ஸ் இனிய பிறந்தநாள் வாழ்த்துக்களை உங்கள் திரு பாதங்களில் பணிவுடன் சமர்ப்பிக்கின்றோம். We love you സ്വാമി.
എല്ലാമെല്ലാമായ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട സ്വാമി, കേരളത്തിലെ സായി യങ് മെസഞ്ചേഴ്സിൻ്റെയും എല്ലാ സായി ഭക്തരുടെയും എല്ലാ ബാലവികാസ് കുട്ടികളുടെയും ഹൃദയം നിറഞ്ഞ ജന്മദിനാശംസകൾ അങ്ങയുടെ തൃപ്പാദങ്ങളിൽ സമർപ്പിക്കുന്നു. ജയ് സായിറാം.
ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಶ್ರೀ ಸತ್ಯಸಾಯಿ ಯಂಗ್ ಮೆಸೆಂಜರ್ಸ್ ತಂಡ ಬಾಲ್ವಿಕಾಸ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಭಕ್ತರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಜನ್ಮದಿನದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸದಾ ప్రీతిಸುತ್ತೇವೆ.
తల్లి, తండ్రి, గురువు, దైవము అయిన మన ప్రియమైన స్వామికి మేము మీ సత్యసాయి యంగ్ మెసెంజర్స్, మీ భక్తులము, మీ బాల వికాస్ పిల్లలం తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రం తరఫున మా హృదయ కుసుమాలను మీ పాదపద్మముల చెంత అర్పిస్తూ మీకు పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలుపుకుంటున్నాము స్వామి. మేము ఎల్లప్పుడూ మిమ్మల్ని ప్రేమిస్తూ ఆరాధిస్తూ ఆనందంగా ఉంటాము స్వామి.
அன்புள்ள சுவாமி, நாங்கள் உங்கள் சென்னை மெட்ரோ மாநிலத்தை சேர்ந்த சாய் யங் மெசஞ்சர்ஸ் பக்தர்கள் மற்றும் பாலவிகாஸ் குழந்தைகளின் சார்பாக இனிய பிறந்தநாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறோம். சுவாமி, நாங்கள் உங்களை பரிபூர்ணமாக நேசிக்கின்றோம். ஜெய் சாய்ராம்.
ఓం శ్రీ సాయిరామ్. స్వామి, ఈ 95వ జయంతోత్సవాల సందర్భంగా శ్రీ సత్యసాయి సేవా సంస్థలు యువజన విభాగం ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ బాలవికాస్ పిల్లలు, సోదరీమణులు, భక్తులు అయిన మేమంతా ప్రార్థించేది ఒక్కటే స్వామి. మీ సేవ ఆధ్యాత్మిక కార్యక్రమాల్లో మరింత చురుగ్గా మేం పాల్గొని మీ అనుగ్రహాన్ని పొంది తరించేలా ఆశీర్వదించండి, అనుగ్రహించండి. వి లవ్ యూ స్వామి.
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्यसाई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपतान्धवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयन ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी साई महादेव नारायण नारायण जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
न पुण्यं न पापं न सौख्यं न दुःखं न मन्त्रो न तीर्थं न वेदानयज्ञम् अहं भोजनं न भोजनं नैव भोज्यम् न सदानन्दरूपम् अद्वैतम् सत्यं शिवं सुन्दरम् सदानन्दरूपं शिवोऽहं शिवो